Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. I hope that you've been having a great week of learning. I would like to thank all of you who were able to join me in our Zoom meet and greet today. It was wonderful seeing you and your smiling faces. You made Mr. Abel and Miss Black's day. Thank you for joining us. And if you couldn't make it, today, we hope to be doing it again next week so we can see you then. So let's go over our morning. Sixes, you're going to have some phonics to do and some A to Z, and you are going to be uploading all of the poetry that you have done so far for your poetry unit. You will also have a really fun review of addition and subtraction and even word problems. So a really fun review day. Seventh, you are going to be watching a video on Martin Luther King Jr.'s I Have a Dream speech, just a part of it. The part that is probably the most well-known part of his speech. Then you're going to work on your spelling sentences and your spelling test, and I have you working on a grammar page as well. I will be asking you also to work on your math review test for Unit 11, and you will also have a chance to do a little more review in your skinny book. I will be probably sending out a note home to parents of sevens. I have a couple questions, and for sixes too, about times to do Zoom meetings. So parents, look for a message this weekend. And everyone have a great Friday, and then enjoy your weekend with your parents. Have a great day. See you. Bye.